guys, welcome back to the Glamorous Tube. Hi everyone, if you're new, welcome to all the oldie but goodies. Hey y'all. Today I'm doing a video, as you can see. I don't know if you guys noticed as yet, but I have no piercings. Like my lip ring is gone, my nose ring is gone, and both tongue rings are gone. So today I'm going to show you using this Dial from Family Dollar antibacterial hand soap. I use this to clean my piercings. I also use alcohol. So right now what happens is I have the jewelry soaking in some hot sooty. It's not sooty as of yet because what I do is pick them up one by one. I don't know if you guys can see. I pick them up one by one and I wash them like this in the palm of my hand with the soap. And as I get them all soapy, I drop it back in the water. That's one. Here's the bottom half. And yes, you guys, I do have two tongue piercings. One on top and one going that way. So if you was wondering or wonder why I talk so funny, I already talk a little funny. I'm kind of country / hood / I don't know, hillbilly-ish. I was born and raised in Chicago. I moved to Florida and now I live in Louisville, Kentucky. So I have a really bad accent, if that fits your needs. And these piercings doesn't make it no better. But guess what? I love them. I really do. I love my piercings. I had my lip piercing, I think, since I was like 27. I had my tongue pierced since I was 17, the first one, the original one. And the snake bite I had for 2 years now. And the nose ring, and y'all are going to laugh. I was 17 when I very first got my nose ring. And I don't know, I can't see. Okay, I had it on this side where it is now. And back home in Florida, we have this place that's called the Swap Shop. And it's really the swap shop, but they have all like brand new stuff. Some vendors might be out there with used supplies, but they have a jewelry section. They have a circus out there. You can go get all the food you want, anything your heart desire, basically, for a nice amount. And I was younger, so I went to go get my nose pierced, not knowing, I don't know why the lighting turns like this when I move. We're going to try to figure that out. Let me see here. I don't want it too bright, and I don't want it too dark. It's perfect for me. Sorry, you guys. My ear is itching. And instead of me using a bobby pin like I always do, I'm going to go ahead and use this Q-tip. But anyway, yeah, I was 17. I went to the swap shop. For $5, I got my nose pierced, not knowing that you're supposed to pierce your ear with this hook. They're not that dirty neither. You're supposed to pierce your ears with this hook. And the lady whom pierced my nose, I'm sorry, we're talking about noses here. The lady who pierced my nose, I didn't know that you're not supposed to have a back on it. And you're supposed to have like the little hook that I haven't showed you yet. We're gonna get this snake bite one and this the one. I'm gonna make it really quick because the mouth and the nose, I don't know why, closes very quick. But this is the snake bite one. It looks like this, and it go in like that. Most people be like, ah, it hurt, but it's not. It's really cute. I love it. But anywho, back to the nose ring. She pierced it, and she pierced it with like a self-piercing ring, and she put a back on it. So I had a back inside my nose. Maybe 5 days later, I had to have like outpatient surgery to get it out because it sunk in. And at the time, my daughter was born, so I got her birthmark and it was green. Well, it sunk so far down in my nose, my skin was covering up the little stud in on the ring, so you could see my skin going on top. You could see green coming out my skin, and it wasn't turning green. It was the emerald or the little gem that was in the ring. I had a fit. It hurted. It hurted, and I never wanted it again. And maybe 2 years ago, my daughter has hers pierced. My niece has hers pierced. It's just something, I don't know, we do with the piercing thingies. I have 11 piercings. That's including ears. But yeah, I have 11 piercings. Anywho, so, it was a thing for us. And I had to have surgery to get it removed. And I never ever thought about it again, although I did when I got the tongue ring. And right now, this is the little, do you see this? I don't know if you guys, yeah, I can sit back. Look how little this is. You can barely see it. And then, look at the hook. It goes in and hook, so it can breathe. So it can, when it closes, when it grows just this much, not that big old hole. It was something terrible. So I end up going to the emergency room, and they gave me like an outpatient surgery to get it out. And I never thought to ever go back to redo it. We're going to let that sit in this soapy water now for a second. It's been 7 minutes. Yeah. And I never thought about going back to get it. And maybe 2 years ago, I was like, oh, you know what? I'm tired of that scar. You can't see really well. But right here in the same exact spot, the same exact spot is where I re-pierced it, so. And this time I had no problems, no complications. But when I take it out, sometimes it's really sore. So yeah, you guys, I take them out. I make sure that they all nice and clean. No gunk, no gooey stuff, no nothing on it. And as I can see, my hair is everywhere. The bottom half of the tongue ring is not quite done yet. So what I have to do is go back and re-scrub it, re-wash it. And that's what I'm doing. Now I put that back in there. It's not ready. And I use this alcohol to clean a lot of things. It's the 91% alcohol. I take it and I use a cap and I pour the alcohol in the cap. You see? And I pour the alcohol in here. As so. And one by one, I drop each piercing in there. I let it sit. After I do that, peroxide is good as well, but right now I don't have any. I let it sit. Make sure, again, I want to see the stainless steel jewelry. Once I do that, I go back. I re-dry it. Well, I wipe it off. And I make sure I wipe it off clean. And mind you, it does have the alcohol on it. So I take them out and I place them on a, if you guys can see, I place them on another cloth, which, where's my other cloth? the same way I would do sort of like the process of cleaning your brushes. So yeah, you guys, I just wanted to come on here and show you guys that I do clean my body jewelry, and I love my body jewelry, and show you how. Well, I did show you the process or some of the steps I use, and I just again used that antibacterial hand soap. It smells so good. It's compared to Dow, but at Family Dollar, they're 79 cents, and I rack up on them because I also use that in different flavors on my brushes. So I just wanted to show you guys what I was doing and how I'm doing it. But I will not show you how to put them back in, because some people might think it's too gross, or too harsh. Anyways, until next time, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.